Ever wondered how to bring the rich flavors of Bengal into your kitchen? Today, I invite you on a culinary journey as we master the art of cooking authentic Bengali chicken curry, lovingly known as Murgir Jhol. This timeless recipe is a treasure celebrated in Bengali households, filled with the warm aromas of spices and the comforting essence of home-cooked meals. In this guide, we begin with a brief overview of the recipe's heritage. Bengali chicken curry is traditionally prepared using bone-in chicken pieces, potatoes, and a medley of whole spices that create an unforgettable aroma. Mustard oil, a key ingredient, imparts a distinctive taste that sets this dish apart and speaks to the heart of Bengali cuisine. Now let us step into the kitchen. First, gather your ingredients. Fresh, bone-in chicken pieces marinated with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, salt, and red chili powder for that balanced heat. Don't forget the potatoes, prized for absorbing the rich gravy and adding a hearty texture. Additionally, prepare whole spices such as bay leaves, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and cloves, along with mustard oil. These ingredients, when combined, form the symphony of flavors that define a perfect Bengali chicken curry. Begin by heating mustard oil in a deep, heavy-bottomed pan over a medium flame. Once the oil starts to shimmer and release its pungent aroma, add the bay leaves, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Watch as the spices release their essence, filling your kitchen with a fragrance that tells the story of generations. Pure magic. Next, carefully add your marinated chicken pieces to the sizzling oil. Sauté them on medium-high heat until the chicken begins to sweat the fat out. As the matbach advises, wait until the juices emerge, then add a splash of water. This simple tip helps maintain a moist texture while allowing the spices to mingle harmoniously with the meat. Stir gently and let the chicken absorb the aromatic blend. It is time to introduce the potatoes. Cube them evenly and add them to the pan, stirring well to ensure that each piece is kissed by the spice-infused oil. The potatoes absorb the flavors of the bubbling gravy, adding both substance and a delightful texture to the dish. Simply satisfying. Allow the curry to simmer over a medium flame for around 10 to 12 minutes. In this period, the marinated chicken softens and the potatoes become tender, while the spices meld to create a rich, fragrant gravy. During this simmering phase, remember to stir occasionally and adjust the seasoning with salt and red chili powder as needed. Every stir is a nod to the tradition that has perfected this recipe over time. Imagine, for a moment, the warm ambiance of a Bengali kitchen, where every ingredient tells a story of heritage and love. The cooking process is methodical yet infused with emotion, transforming simple ingredients into a dish that resonates with cultural pride. Truly, a delightful celebration of culinary tradition. When the curry has reached its perfect consistency, remove the pan from the heat. Gently transfer the aromatic chicken and potatoes onto a serving dish and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves for a burst of color and a touch of freshness. The vibrant dish, perfect for serving four, captures the essence of Bengali cuisine beautifully. Every spoonful delivers a harmonious blend of tender chicken, hearty potatoes, and a rich gravy that has been carefully nurtured with spices. This isn't just cooking, it's a heartfelt tribute to the traditions of Bengal. As you take your first bite, sense the legacy of countless kitchens that have celebrated this dish over generations. In closing, remember that this recipe is more than a meal. It is an experience that invites warmth, love, and authenticity into your home. Enjoy the delectable flavors with your family and friends. Try this authentic Bengali chicken curry recipe today and savor the traditional flavors of Bengal in your own kitchen.